Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to each and everyone, and especially to you, ma'am. So for today, I will discuss about the plant stem and shoot system. So before I will discuss, let me introduce myself. So I'm Naraini Sulaiman Salik from BSA Agri Extension. So let's start. So first, we will define what is plant stems. So plant stems are the main trunk of a plant or the primary axis that develops buds and shoots. So, in stems are divided into nodes and internodes. So, nodes are holds at least one leaf and buds that can grow into branches, while the internodes are the spaces between nodes. Ano nga ba ang puno ng halaman? Ang puno ng halaman, ang mga tangkay ay ang pangunahing puno ng halaman o pangunahing axis na nagkakaroon ng mga buds and shoots. Ang mga tangkay ay nahahati sa mga node at internodes. So, ang node ay nagtataglay ng hindi bababa sa isang dahon na maaaring maging mga sanga. At ang internode naman ay puwang sa pagitan ng mga node. So, the next is, what are shoot systems? Shoot systems refers to new plant growth, whether it is a stem, a leaf, or even a flower. Stems usually have branches and leaves, and also stems are generally round like a stick and maybe herbaceous or woody. What is herbaceous? Herbaceous stems are green and will generally bend, while woody stems are covered by bark and they often will not bend without tremendous. So, ano ba ang shoot systems? Ang shoot systems, ang mga sistema ng shoot ay tumutukoy sa bagong paglago ng halaman. Ito man ay isang tangkay, isang dahon o kahit isang bulaklak. Ang mga tangkay ay karaniwang may mga sanga at dahon at ang mga tangkay ay karaniwang bilog at parang patpat at maaaring herbaceous o woody. Maladamo ang mga tangkay ay berde at karaniwang baluktot, habang ang woody stems naman ay tinatakpan ng bark at sila ay madalas na hindi yumuko ng walang napakalaking force. Most of herbaceous plants are annuals, which need to be planted each year as they die over the winter, such as petunias or perennials like peonies that die back in winter but sprout again in spring. So let's pursue the functions of stems include. So functions of stems. They have a stems support leaves and branches, and stems transport water and solutes between roots and leaves. Stems in some plants are photosynthetic. Stems may store materials necessary for life. Example, water, starch, sugar. And in some plants, stems have become adapted for specialized functions. So, lahat ng nabanggit ko ay mga function ng stems. So, proceed tayo sa stem structures. So, they have three types of plant cells and three types of tissue. So, the three types of plant cell is first, parenchyma, second is collenchyma, and third is sclerenchyma. And three types of tissue. So, first is dermal, second is ground, and third is vascular. What is parenchyma cell? So, parenchyma cells form the bulk of non-woody plants, like the inside part of an apple. This is the most abundant and least specialized type of plant cell. The cortex is made up of these types of cells. Collenchyma cells support the growing parts of plants. For example, the strings in a stalk of celery. These cells have thicker walls for supporting the weight of the plant. Sclerenchyma cells support the non-growing parts of plants. Parenchyma cell ay bumubuo sa mga karamihan na hindi makahoy na halaman, tulad ng panloob na bahagi ng isang mansanas. Ito ang pinakasagana at hindi gaanong espesyalidad na uri ng cell ng halaman. Ang cortex ay binubuo ng mga ganitong uri ng mga cell. Sinusuportahan ng mga cell ang collenchyma cell na lumalaking bahagi ng halaman. Halimbawa nito ay mga string sa isang tangkay ng kinsay. Ang mga cell na ito ay may mas makapal na pader para sa pagsuporta na bigat ng halaman. Sinusuportahan ng mga cell ng sclerenchyma cell ang hindi lumalagong bahagi ng mga halaman. Let's proceed to stem growth. So, in plants, the areas of meristem are devoted almost entirely to the formation of new growth. So, they are the three types of meristem. So, first is apical meristem. Apical meristem is located at the tips of stems and increases in length. This is called primary or non-woody growth. The apical meristem is responsible for formation of bud, scales, leaves, and flowers or cones. The second is intercalary meristem. So, intercalary meristem is located between the tip and the base of stems and leaves and increases length between nodes. These are found in grasses and bamboo and allow them to regrow quickly after being cut. So, the last is lateral meristem. Lateral meristem is located on the sides of stems and increases the diameter of plant. This is called secondary growth. Right it to bark and other woody growths. So that's all.